Review topic number 2, Bohr diagrams. Again, short and sweet. Okay, so what is a Bohr diagram? It's a diagram that represents the parts of an atom in a kind of graphic representation showing energy levels, because that was Bohr's key contribution to the model of the atom. So there'll be a nucleus and varying energy levels. So here would be energy level 1, energy level 2, and so on. Each of these dots represents an electron. So for example, looking at oxygen, there are 2 electrons in energy level number 1 and 6 electrons in energy level number 2. This circle in the center represents the nucleus. So you can see as we go across, these 2 are in period 1, the rest of these are in period 2, and as we go across, you can see 1 additional electron added each time. These numbers after the names of the element indicate the number of electrons in each energy level, and it should match the Bohr diagram. So beryllium 2, 2 electrons in energy level number 1, 2 electrons in energy level number 2. That is in fact what's represented in this diagram. Now down here at the bottom, additionally, let me just show you with these down here. Okay, this positive 3 in the middle. So let's look. Here's lithium. Lithium has 3 electrons as an atom, which means it must have 3 protons. Therefore, the charge of its nucleus is positive 3. So this first circle is not an energy level. Again, remember the nucleus is represented there. So this would be positive 3 is the nucleus, and then energy level number 1 has 2 electrons, and the dotted line is representing which one is the valence shell, and it has 1 valence electron. Fluorine, the nucleus is positive 9, and you can see that matches up. It has 9 total electrons up here. 2 electrons in energy level number 1, 7 in energy level number 2, and this dotted line just representing that those are in fact valence electrons. Now let me pause this for a moment and just show you a couple of other examples. Okay, so let's just look really quickly at these diagrams. So it says this model shows how many energy levels. Remember, this center is the nucleus, so it has 1 energy level here and a second energy level here. So this model shows 2 energy levels. And how many valence electrons? Well, I'm going to count the electrons out here in the outermost energy level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, looking at this one, this model shows how many energy levels. Remember, the center one is the nucleus, so it has 1, 2, 3 energy levels. And how many valence electrons? Well, I go to the outermost energy level and I start counting those dots. 1, 2. 2 valence electrons. And look at this last one. How many energy levels? Remember, this center circle represents the nucleus. So this one has just 1 energy level. How many valence electrons? Well, again, I go to the outermost energy level. There's only 1. So there are 2 valence electrons. Okay. And that's it. Short and sweet. That is Bohr diagrams.